Now let's clean the product column. Some of the entries are written in all caps, some in lowercase, and some are mixed. We want all product names to follow a consistent format, with each word starting with a capital letter. Step 1. Add a helper column. Insert a new column next to the product column. Name it something like product, formatted. Step 2. Use the proper function. In the first cell of the new column, enter the proper function. This converts each product name to title case. Step 3. Copy and paste as values. Select the entire product, formatted, column. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Right-click on the original product column. Choose Paste values to overwrite it with the formatted names. After verifying everything looks good, you can delete the helper column. And that's it. Your product names now have consistent formatting using the proper function. Next, let's clean the category column. Just like the product column, the entries in the category column have inconsistent formatting. Some are in uppercase, some lowercase, and some mixed. We'll use the same steps as before to standardize the formatting. Step 1. Add a helper column. Insert a new column next to the category column. Name it something like category, formatted. Step 2. Use the proper function. In the first cell of the new column, type equals proper at category. This converts each category to title case. Step 3. Copy and paste as values. Copy the entire category, formatted, column. Right-click on the original category column. Choose Paste values to overwrite the original entries. Step 4. Delete the helper column. Once you're sure everything looks right, delete the helper column. Now your category column is clean and consistently formatted.